Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
钱
the symbol of front and progression. Let's learn.
Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
钱
9 strokes to define front.
点点横竖横折钩横横竖竖钩前
Means front before previous, or to advance. It indicates direction, time, or sequence. Use it in words like
前面
front ahead or
以前
before previously. Now that you know how to write,
前
let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Section 2. Common words and phrases.
Common words and phrases.
前天
The day before yesterday.
前进
To move forward.
目前
Currently at present.
Section 3. Example sentences.
Example sentences.
我以前住在北京
I used to live in Beijing.
我们继续前进
Let's keep moving forward.
Section 4. Fun fact.
Did you know? In ancient China,
前
was used in military contexts to mean advance. Today, it's still a symbol of progress, like
前途光明
a bright future.
Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 前面 mean in English? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.